How many of you have actually gone to office hours? I'm not judging because I know that I haven't. Lecturers are an important resource that many students overlook. You're paying for those office hours. Use them. Lecturers actually have quite a bit of good advice. I went and spoke to a few of the lecturers on the Auckland campus about different techniques for studying for exams. So try out some of these techniques during exams and see what works best for you.
You need to think, where are the key issues, where are the key concepts, what is it that the lecturer is really focused on, and focus on getting those big things under your belt first.
The technique that I probably use the most is something called mnemonics, and that is listing out the key points of something that you want to talk about, and then you make a word out of it. For example, you might think of a word like aeroplane or something if it's a particularly long one. Then when you get into the exam room, all you have to remember is that word. And then by the A, you write the key point, and so on and so on.
It's always good to be as well prepared as you can be and not be surprised. Checking out past exam papers, working on the idea that you need to understand exactly what's being asked for in questions, what needs to be in a short essay in an exam in order to show the examiner that you understand the question.
Good old-fashioned cue cards. Creating cue cards and then practicing flipping through, especially when it deals with vocabulary, is straight memorization. Just knowing the vocabulary is critical.
Getting together with a couple of friends and throwing ideas back and forth and asking each other questions can be very fruitful as well. You don't need to feel you're in a little silo by yourself and don't have anyone else that you can interact with.
The act of talking to other people and trying to explain it, that you actually explain it better to yourself. So it's taking advantage of having a group of people together and realizing nobody knows 100% the answer or how to explain the concept, but having all the different points of views and having to articulate it really helps.
You can share ideas and almost share the learning load. If you say to one another, look, we know we've got 5 topics, we'll each take one and do it really well, and then give each other a set of study notes. All of those things that you can do proactively will help you to cream it.
Exams can seem a bit scary, but they don't need to be. You're probably going to get great support from your family and from your friends. And in fact, please remember that the people who've been teaching you really want you to do well. They're not setting you a test that's meant to be scary or off-putting. They want to find people who know something, have learned something, and are going to present it. That's what most teachers are eagerly looking forward to. So do your work, make your preparation, enjoy it, and the best of luck to everybody. I hope you all do justice to yourselves.
The last thing I'd like to say is good luck. You'll enjoy it at the end when it's over, but take the opportunity to just think, right now, I am moving myself forward. Do your best, and then celebrate that you're done. Okay, best of luck to each of you as you go into your exams.
Good luck and all the very best. Just think that once you've finished this, you won't ever have to think about it again.